Let's face it, drawing isn't for everybody, but that shouldn't stop you from using grease pencil, because it's not just a drawing tool, it can be whatever you need to be. You can sketch out ideas, plan animations, rough out special effects, all without needing your pen license from primary school. Take that, Mrs. Murrell. Hi, my name is Wayne Dixon. I'm the rigging and the animation instructor at CG Cookie, and today we're looking at some of the uses that I have for grease pencil, even though I can't draw. First up, grease pencil is fantastic for reviewing student animations. I use it daily to provide detailed feedback to students so they can improve their skills, whether that's help getting their character off the ground, showing them how the foot moves in a walk cycle, or even helping out with a cartoon scramble. I use grease pencil to help them improve. Next, it's a great tool for actually studying animation on reference footage. You can draw over the live action and study the movements and the timing. That's going to help you understand the body mechanics and see what's actually happening and decide what to include in your animation and what to simplify. Taking this one step further, you can actually do rotoscoping with grease pencil. Here I traced over the footage of me dancing so I could create a mask and turn myself into a dancing GIF for the work Slack channel. Yes, I'm pretty fun to work with. And the beautiful thing about grease pencil is the sculpting modes. If you've made a wonky line, you can just push it back into place or smooth anything out with the smooth brush. I've always wanted to be a dancing emoji. Life goal complete. Are you planning out your rough animation? Grease pencil is your friend there as well. You can sketch out where your motion paths need to be and use that as a guide, or even mark where you need the footsteps to be. If grease pencil can help you get to the end result faster, you should do it. Do you need an animatic? The Story Pencil add-on lets you sketch out the storyboards and plan your rough animations directly in Blender. This is a rough animatic I did for one of the CG Cookie projects where I did just that. It was only meant to be seen by me, which is why it's drawn so beautifully. Grease pencil can be used to rough in your visual effects like explosions, smokes, water droplets, or whatever you need. It's a quick way to visualize what you need before the FX team get their hands on it. Or you can actually use the grease pencil in the final product, like I did here for this effect. Grease pencil can even be used collaboratively in a proper pipeline situation. I needed an image for the blog article, so I did a rough sketch in grease pencil, sent that over to our illustrator Paul, who then could take that file and put it in the bin and start again. That way we could get the best result as quickly as possible. You know, proper pipeline stuff. And don't forget about life drawing. Even if you're not a pro artist, you can use grease pencil to practice and improve your drawing skills. I've spent many hours actually trying to improve my timed gesture drawings, and grease pencil is awesome for that because I can just skip to the next frame to get a nice clean drawing. Too easy. Now, if only all of my hours of practice would actually pay off. So that's some of the uses that I have for grease pencil. Maybe I've given you a few ideas. That would be pretty cool if I did. But if I have inspired you to up your grease pencil game, I would strongly recommend checking out my colleagues' work, not mine. When Paul Kageji is not putting my drawings in the bin, he's creating top-notch courses to teach you how to use grease pencil. You can check out the introductory grease pencil course called Draw, which is totally free. He'll take you through the ins and outs of getting started with grease pencil. But if you want to up your game even further, then you can also check out Concept, which is a course all about creating the model sheet for the character that we worked on together called Luna. But the best thing about Paul's courses is that he actually knows how to draw. So if you want to learn from that guy, you'll be putting my drawings in the bin in no time. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, otherwise YouTube will put you in the bin, and I'll see you next time.